Now let us discuss about arrays in C programming. Let us see what is array. Array is a collection of data elements that are of same type. That is, we can create an array with same type of data. Let us see some applications of arrays where we can use arrays in real-time applications. If you want to store some test scores, that is exam scores scored by students, we can use array to store them, and we can find minimum score and maximum score obtained by the students from the array, and read in a list of student name and rearrange them in alphabetical order. Thus we have a list of students. If you want to sort them or arrange them in ascending order, that is A to Z, we can use sorting of array elements here. And given the height of measurements of some students in a classroom, and we want to know the tallest person in the class, there also we can use array. Now let us see how to declare an array in C programming. So here we need three entities. First we have to tell which type of array we are going to create, that is which type of element we are going to store in that array. So here in this example we are creating an array of type integer. We are going to use only integer values in this array. Second one is we have to give it a name of the array. The name should not be any keyword of C program. It should be a unique one defined by the user. Then within the square bracket we have to declare the size of the array. This maximum number of elements you are going to store inside that array. So these three entities are mandatory to declare an array. While we are declaring an array with name AR and type integer, maximum number of elements 10. Now how it is declared within the system? So here it is named as AR and it is assigned with 10 indices, that is index values started from 0 to 9. So it is ordered like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It is most important to know about subscripting of array. So we are creating an array AR with integer type with 10 maximum elements. So each element should be indexed, that is called a subscript of the element, that is bracketed followed by the array name, and the first element of array has index is 0, and the second element 1, third one 2, and so on. So the last element is assigned with the index value 9. So 9, if you are assigning any wrong indexing, it will definitely generate some common error. And if you are trying to assign some values beyond the limit of the index, that is beyond the size of the array, that also will return errors. So here we are creating an array with a size 10 of integer type, and randomly for some integers we are assigning some values, that is we are not initialized it while we are creating it. So for the fourth element, so it automatically this index is 3. For that index we are assigning an element with value 1. So they are called as AR bracketed with 0, AR 1, 2, 3. So for the other index we don't have any other value, but for the index 3, there is a fourth element, we have assigned the value 1. Here one example is given. Let us see one example for subscripting. So here within the main function we are creating an array of type integer. To represent the index of each element, we are using a variable an index. So we are asking the user to enter 10 elements starting from 0 to 9. We are getting we are scanning in 10 integers from the user. For this we are using a for loop. So after that, after getting all the elements, we are printing that elements using another for loop here.